Hello guys, happy Wednesday. I just got home with my truck. Woohoo! So, she's looking all good and shiny. No more dents. No more dents. Not on the hood, not on the roof, nowhere. Got a new mirror. Oh yeah, I did all the undercoating. Oh, so you can see they undercoated it all nice. Got up in the fender wells too. They did the inside of the tailgate and the inside of the doors and stuff like that. But she looks pretty. She's looking real nice. Now it looks like a new truck. Up in there is all done up nice. Yeah. What do you guys think about that? Now it looks good. Now I'm proud of it. Before it was like, yeah, I love my truck, but man, I want to get that thing fixed. Well, it's fixed. It's looking good. I'm trying to think of what else. Oh. I'll show you what else they gave me. Phoenix, be quiet. Show you guys. I don't know why they put these in here, like, it's because they detailed it. They put a little bit of dye on the seat here. I didn't do anything with this though, but I kind of want to get seat covers, so just let it be. Okay. They did definitely re-detail it because you can see their marks. All this was supposed to be under there. So this is their auto armor. This is like the coating that they put inside and out. And they gave me this as well. This is paint protector, car wash, upholstery cleaner, vinyl enhancer, wheel revitalizer, wheel cleaner, some nice towels, some caps and some sprays, and I don't know, that. So that's kind of cool though. I mean, I don't know what's one of those packages cost when you go to the store, like 50 bucks or something like that. I don't know what quality this is compared to that, but I don't know. It's kind of nice, kind of cool. It's like a little toolbox thing. I'll put this in the garage, but yeah, kind of cool. I like it. Anyways, here's the blind and the goose stuff, so I gotta do a little bit cleaning up. Get all this stuff, I guess, put in the truck. But I gotta sweep all this dirt out, and I'm making a mess all the time. Alright, well, thanks for watching, guys.